morning, everyone, and welcome to this week's edition of Friday Chatter. My name is Grant, and you can catch me here every week to find out happenings here at Ruby Falls and across Chattanooga. So let's get started. On behalf of everyone here at Ruby Falls, we just want to say that we hope you guys had a fantastic Thanksgiving, got to spend some time with family and friends, and we just hope that it was a peaceful and joyous occasion. If you've ever been curious about our High Point Zip adventure here at Ruby Falls, this is the last weekend of 2021 that you can experience 700 feet of rushing zipline over the Cumberland Plateau. It's open today and tomorrow, Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. You'll still need to get online to rubyfalls.com to book your reservation in advance, even if you're heading over right now. All right, what's going on around Chattanooga? Happening right now until 4 o'clock p.m. today is the Bluffview Art District's Open House, featuring live music, working artisans, holiday decorations, and amazing savings at all the shops on the bluff that will extend into Small Business Saturday tomorrow. For more information on this, go to bluffviewartdistrict.com. Also happening today, River City Company is presenting the annual lighted boat parade on the Chattanooga Green from 4:30 p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. tonight. It is free and will feature fireworks, live reindeer, music, hot cocoa, fire pits, and more. Of course, the boat parade. For more information on this, go to rivercitycompany.com/events. There's a lot going on today. Also happening, the Polar Express IMAX experience is starting at the Tennessee Aquarium IMAX Theater for its annual run through December 26th. That's going to be at various times. So to check out those times, make sure you go to tnaqua.org/IMAX to check out those times and the dates that it's being presented. Tickets are $8, all ages. Polar Express, classic. Okay, two big things are happening this Tuesday, November 30th. The Christmas-themed Cirque show, Cirque Dreams, is happening at the Tivoli Theater downtown. And also the Donna Summers musical is beginning its 3-day run at the Soldiers and Sailors Memorial Auditorium on Tuesday. Tickets for both shows are available at tivoliChattanooga.com. And that is all for me for this weekend. I will see you next Friday on Friday Chatter. In the meantime, I hope you all have a fantastic holiday weekend. Stay safe out there. I'm sure the roads are busy. And we'll see you next Friday. Remember that sometimes the unknown is the greatest adventure. Bye.